Okay, guys, we are in grade 8 maths, and we are looking at numbers. So we are going to be looking at the types of numbers, right? The types of numbers. Okay, and we'll talk about prime numbers. We'll talk about even numbers. um, we will talk about factors, multiples, right? So I would love us to give these numbers, to give them, to list them as sets. So let's say for odd numbers we have set O. So we will have odd numbers from, say, from, let's say we will have 1 as an odd number. Um, what else? 7, 9, and yeah, I will stop here. I will stop here. I will just talk about these odd numbers up to 10. Prime numbers, set P. Uh, we will have, let's call it set E. We will have 2, 4, 60, 80. Let's quickly describe what an odd number is. An odd number is a number that will leave 1 when you divide it by 2. You always leave the remainder. So these are prime numbers. Odd numbers, I mean. A prime number is a number that is divisible by uh, uh, 1 in itself only. It is divisible by 1 in itself only. So for taking 2, for instance, 2 is divisible by itself, which is 2 divided by 2 to get 1. And it is divisible by 1. 2 over 1 is 2. So prime numbers are divisible by 1 and itself. That's the definition. Even numbers, they are divisible by 2, leaving no remainder. They are divisible by 2, leaving no remainder. Okay. Now, guys, when you talk of factors, they would tell you to have factors of 2, for instance, or factors of 3. So we'll say set F stands for the set of factors of 3, 6, 9, and so on. All right. I just don't want to go beyond. I just don't want to go uh, beyond 10. Actually, these are not factors, guys. These are of 3. So I will rather say the set of factors of the set of factors of the factors of 3. Factors are numbers that will go into 3 and they will leave no remainder. So factors of 3 would be 1 and 3. 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9, and so on. Okay, so that's it, guys. That's basically the types of numbers. So now we are looking at these types of numbers in terms of sets. We have a set of odd numbers, a set of prime numbers, a set of even numbers, and a set of factors of 3, and a set of multiples of 3. So now we want us to go a step further, where I will include a universal set here. Let's say the universal set is the set of values 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 10. All right. Now, if you want to show in the Venn diagram, you want to show, say, I want to get a simple task. So you want to say O intersect, okay, O intersect P. So if you want to list those elements, they will be what? The elements that are common between set O and set P, which are they? I'm seeing 3, I'm seeing 5, I'm seeing 7. All right. So that means we have, because we said that intersection means common. O intersect P, that means we are looking at elements that are found in both sets. They are common in both sets. All right. This would be. So if you were to draw the Venn diagram to represent this relationship here, okay, what you would do, you would always include the Venn diagram. Venn diagram is drawn as a rectangle. We are looking at types of numbers, guys, remember. So now because there is an intersection between set O and set P, we'll draw overlapping oval sets now, because we are talking about Venn diagram. So these numbers here in this region that is overlapping, 5, 7, they are common for both sets. Now for set P, okay, let me say this is set O and this is set P. For set P, if we have taken 3, 5, 7, we are left with 2 in set P, because this is the boundary of for set O. If we have taken 3, 5, 7, we are left with 1 and 9. Now we still have to look at the universal set and see the elements that do not appear in this set, but they are in there. So 1, 2, 3, 4 is not here, so it will be out here. 5, 6 is here, in here. Us to move from numbers, types of numbers, and then relate them to sets and then Venn diagrams. Actually, we are still on the topic sets. So that's what I wanted. So I hope this lesson, guys, was helpful. Until we meet again in the next lesson, please like the video, share the video, and then subscribe.